Hey everyone, this is Tanvir back with another macOS tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to install macOS 26 on your MacBook. Now I'm using MacBook Air M1. If you're using a MacBook Air M1 or any other MacBook after that came, you can install macOS 26 beta and run it. Now before you install macOS 26 beta, you should definitely back up your data before you install macOS 26. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to the settings, the system settings, and then here go to general and then go to software update. Now here, as you can see that I have already done the process, and I will show you how you can do it too. So as you can see that it is already downloading macOS 26 beta and it's about 2 hours remaining. So first of all, you're going to click on this icon, this question mark icon over here. Okay, and from here you're going to scroll down and then click on this link. Now it will take you to this page. So what you're going to do is simply click on sign in. All right, and give your Apple ID, the email address, and your Apple password. And remember one thing, that you should be using Safari browser for this. So as you can see that it is using the Safari browser. Now before doing this, you're going to do another thing, and that is go to developer.apple.com, and here you're going to sign in as well. So if you're doing it for the first time, basically you need to create an account using your Apple ID. So it's going to ask you to create an account. Just simply go to account. This is actually very simple. There are no steps. Just give your Apple ID and password. And by the way, this is Apple's official page and all the process is shown by Apple. So don't worry about it. There's no third party involved in here. So as you can see that I am already signed in. Basically just create an account, give your Apple ID, and just click on agree. Just agree to the terms and select the agreement button. It will show you if you're doing it for the first time, and if you have already done it, then just simply sign in and you're good to go. So once you have signed in to developer.apple.com, your work is done here. There's nothing to do over here. Just sign in and then go to beta.apple.com. And here simply do the same as well, just sign in. Basically what you have to do is create a developer account to try out their new features when they upload a beta version. So for that, just create a developer account. That is all I'm saying from the beginning. And to create a developer account, it is completely free. Use your Apple ID to sign in, and that is basically it. Sign in to the agreements. All right, so once you have signed into beta.apple.com as well, so go to your settings now. And now this time you have this beta updates option. So you can click on this icon on the right side, and over here simply it will ask you to log into your Apple account again. So you're gonna give your Apple email address and then your password, and then you'll be able to see all these options over here. So from here you're gonna select developer beta, this one, macOS 26 developer beta, this one. Just select that one, click on done, and then it will automatically show you the update option, and then click on update and it will start downloading the macOS 26 beta. Alright guys, so let's just wait and for it to finish downloading all the packages, and then we will install macOS 26. Alright guys, so as you can see that it has finished downloading, so I'm going to click on upgrade now and then type my password. Alright guys, so this is after I've installed macOS 26, and this is how it's kind of looking right now. So you'll immediately see that there are changes to effects and some animations maybe. As you can see, these widgets are looking different. After doing some changes to the settings, it is having this new look. So from here you can go to wallpaper and change the wallpaper, macOS beta, I'm guessing. Then what you're gonna do is go to appearance. So go to appearance, and from here you can actually go to icon and widget style and then select clear from here. Then you will get all of this new liquid glass effect. And yeah, that is basically it. You can change the color of the theme from here as well, graphite or something else. And as you can see that this is the new look. And let me know in the comment section guys, what do you think about this? Alright guys, so this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I will really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video.